Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Roykie again, and today in this video I'll be doing a tutorial video. It's for my friend Casey, and this video is all about how to create a YouTube channel just using your phone. So if you are looking or searching how to open or to create a YouTube channel just using phone, this video is perfect for you, so keep on watching. If you created a new Gmail account, I highly suggested or recommended for you is to fill up the form, especially the number for your phone number and backup email, because just in case, if ever you forget your password, you can ask a forget password and they can send to you your reset password, so you can change your password just in case if you forgot. So fill out those information. So click this icon and click my channel to create a channel, and then put any name you like for your YouTube channel. So for example, Ma or Halik or anything, guys. Then create channel, click it, and then refresh and you will see the settings button, and you can change it again if you like. You can just put your name and tap OK and add a description. So this description is about what is your YouTube channel about. So put a description, so tell your audience what is your YouTube channel about. So then tap OK. Then you can put your like or subscription or anything to private or not private. And to change or put photo, click that and choose photo for your profile or YouTube profile. And now you can go live, or you can record, or you can just pick any video to upload. Then you're ready to go. You have your YouTube channel now. And another thing, guys, the channel banner, if ever you don't know how to do it, just search on YouTube how to create or how to make a YouTube banner or YouTube channel banner, because there's tons of video for that. They will tell you where to find and what apps or what software or what anything. They will tell you how to do it, so just search about it so you can have your YouTube channel banner. That's it, guys. I hope this video really helped you to start or to create a YouTube channel. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And what else? Yeah, if you have any questions or you want to say anything, guys, just leave it